Imagine a place where every perfume, every essence, and every botanical is crafted with care. A place where trust and ethics aren't just buzzwords, they're the foundation of everything we do. Welcome to NPA Collective. So, this isn't your run of the mill marketplace. No random sellers just jumping on board. No, this is something special. Here, everybody knows someone, and there's trust and ethics behind every single product. We're not just throwing stuff up for sale. You can trust the hands and hearts behind every single product. Why? Because we know them personally. What that means is that every bottle, every perfume, every natural botanical that we sell has a story behind it that you can actually believe in. This is an alternative to the big guys like Etsy, but this is not just another shop. This is a collective. We're small right now, yeah. We've only got four vendors, but that is where the magic lies. It's personal. Everyone is in it together. There's no big fees, no gouging, and none of that factory made nonsense. Everything is natural, transparent, and ethical. We make sure our vendors get their fair share and the profits they go right back into NPA Collective or they go towards Natural Perfume Academy Awards, which keeps the cycle of creativity alive. So, when you buy from NPA Collective, you're not just picking up a perfume, you are supporting real people, real artists, and real perfumers who are passionate about what they do. And you're part of a bigger movement natural, ethical, and transparent, just the way it should be. Join us and be part of this collective. It's more than just perfume, it's a community.